Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through connecting HubSpot with Gmail so your inbox syncs directly with your CRM. Click the settings icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. In the left sidebar, click General to open the General Settings menu. At the top of the Settings panel, click the Email tab to access your email connection options. Click the Connect Email Account button to begin linking your inbox. A modal appears explaining how connecting your inbox saves time in HubSpot. Click the Connect Your Inbox button to continue to the account setup screen. In the email address field, type the Gmail address you want to connect. For this example, I'm using creatorsmedia888@gmail.com. Click Next to move forward, and a Connect to Gmail modal appears confirming your email provider. Click Connect to Gmail to start the authentication process. This opens Google's account sign-in window. On the Google account selection page, click the account you want to link to HubSpot. A confirmation screen appears asking you to sign back into HubSpot. Click Continue to proceed. On the permission screen, HubSpot requests additional access to your Gmail account. Click the Select All checkbox to grant all required permissions. Click Continue and wait while HubSpot establishes the connection. You'll see a success message once the link is complete. A final modal confirms your email is now connected to HubSpot. Click No Thanks to close it and return to your email settings. Your Gmail account now appears in the Connected Accounts list on the Email Settings page. If your Gmail account doesn't appear on the Google sign-in screen, sign in to that account in another browser tab first. Then, restart the HubSpot connection process. Once connected, all emails you send and receive through HubSpot will automatically log to your contact records, so you don't need to manually track conversations. If you need to disconnect the account later, return to this Email tab, find your connected inbox in the list, and use the Options menu beside it to remove or reconfigure the connection. And that's how to set up HubSpot with Gmail. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.